Yeah.
Te Pae is about bringing generations together to talk about kaupapa Māori and Ngāi Tahu specific kaupapa.
We get up, Tahu pōtiki! And I'm like, why aren't you getting up to haka tautoko to the bros?
What is it that our tamariki are going to get out of those mainstream settings?
You don't need to claim the beach now. That's a whole nother podcast.
And it's important because sometimes we don't talk to each other very well, like you don't talk to me very well.
You don't talk to me very well.
It's going to be great.
Like,
I'm the daughter, Stacey Morrison, and apparently that's my father.
I think she's my daughter because I have her mouth and she has my height.
look, it's great because there's been a big growth in our iwi, so let's look at what's happened.
There's a real pride in being kaitahu now, whether that's through the culture or all the other programs we've run across the last 25 years.
These are the yarns that we talked about over playing cards, he kōrero Māori noiho.
You'll see what we mean when you watch Te Pae.
The odds is real big, job that's real big, Satan trying to little